Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, vlogs, makeup, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about my favorite coconut vanilla fragrances in my collection. Now, hear me out. I'm still basking in the scent of spring, okay? I'm still enjoying my florals, and because it recently just started warming up here, so spring is just now kicking in for me, honey. So I'm gonna be in floral and spring mode for a little minute. I know y'all already in summer, and the summer videos is coming out, and then at the end of July y'all will be doing fall videos. Y'all know y'all like to jump the gun, but I'm basking in the moment, okay? I'm getting older, honey, and I am trying to slow time down, not speed it up, okay? But I know y'all want to get ready for summer, so I'm going to give you some good coconut vanillas. Like, these are my favorite ones in my collection. I'm going to try not to talk about the obvious ones that everybody talks about into the end. But yeah, so let's start with one of my favorites that I have been loving, which is Fleur de Ombre by EPC. So I wore this on vacation a couple months ago, and y'all, I was in love. So this is definitely for my coconut vanilla lovers, my frangipani lovers, my tropical type of feel lovers. Like, you like that, you're going to love this. The performance on it was top tier. It projected well. It just had a beautiful sillage. It was just a really pretty coconut vanilla frangipani tropical vibe. It just was all of that. Girl, my mouth is literally watering, like watering, okay? You get more florals too, like a little bit of white florals too. But the yellow ones are definitely there. It's sweet, slightly a little bit creamy. I guess that's the coconut. Definitely has vanilla in here. Like, this is just so good. Like, if you love Soleil Blanc, you love Ylang and Gold, Beach Walk. I mean, all of those are on this list, so I probably shouldn't be mentioning them. But this is that, and definitely more. I feel like it's giving upscale tropical, just like, you know, those. Well, Beach Walker ain't really upscale, but y'all know what I mean. Bora Bora by Giardini di Toscana. You know, you feel like you speak another language when you say that, okay, girl? But yes, this is giving other language. This is giving other country. This is giving vacation, okay? Somewhere real tropical, real warm with blue waters, okay? It's giving Bora Bora. Y'all, was loving this last year. Now, the performance on this for me is great. It smells really good. Like, if you know how everybody loves, what's the name of it? This performs just as good as Bianco Latte. Like, it's really sweet, creamy coconut. Smells like it has something a little spicy in here. I don't know what that is. Let me see. Okay, it's not warm spice, but it's caramel. Okay, it's caramel. I know I smell something warm. Okay, something warm. And it has amber in it, apricots. It's got all of the things. Tiare flower, ylang. So it's giving tropical, okay? I said it was giving tropical. It really is. And that's why this one is so sweet, because of that caramel and vanilla. And that amber gives it a warm feel. So the caramel and amber is giving it a tropical warmness, if that makes sense. Girl, this smells real good. So if you love tropical, upscale tropicals, get this. Now, we all love a good affordable fragrance, but this does not perform or smell like it's cheap at all. The bottle is actually nice. Like, it's actually really a heavy bottle. This is hand painted, so this is giving a little bit of luxury, okay? It's definitely not as ugly as a lot of those Middle Eastern fragrances, but this is by Orienta, and this is exotic. Now, this is one of those creamy vanilla coconuts. Now, this one is one of the most lactonic ones on the list, so I feel like you do have to kind of like a lactonic vibe, because the creamy in here is creamy. It's super sweet. It has vanilla in the middle notes and in the base notes, so it's definitely giving sweet, and it almost gives like a lactonic vibe. Very much so creamy coconut milk or coconut cream. You know what I'm saying? This is actually one of my favorite ones on the list, and like I said, it's super affordable. So if you're looking for that same type of vibe, but you want something more on the affordable side, then go with this one. Do y'all remember like 2 years ago when I could not stop talking about Sunkissed Hibiscus? Like, this is one of the best nest fragrances. Performance on this is top tier. I remember when I was talking about this so much, y'all was selling this out in Sephora. Like, it stayed sold out in the summertime. Like, everybody was trying to get it. Everybody that was like, girl, I'm not paying for Soleil Blanc, they ran, okay? Not walked, ran and went and got this. It's so good, girl. The coconut is giving coconut, it's giving frangipani, it's giving vanilla, it's giving all the tropical notes that, you know, we normally get from these type of fragrances. But you also get a little tuberose, so it has like the tropical vibe with a little bubblegumminess in there. And like I said, the performance, honey, I call myself layering this with another fragrance. Like, this ate it up. I couldn't even smell nothing else but this. Like, Oh, it's so good. It's so good. This one has a little warmness to it too, so I think it's from the amber. Because it has a warmness. So amber is in the base notes, and I think that's what gives this a little warmness and makes it kind of thick a little bit. Like, it's one of those tropical ones, but it's a little thick, got a little weight on it. You know what I'm saying? That's what this is like. Oh, I love this. Okay, yes, girl, I cannot wait to pull this. I'm not worn this in a minute, girl. See, that's why y'all want me to start doing these videos again. Okay, so I think most of us do still talk about ylang and gold when we think about coconut vanilla fragrances. I wish I had the bottle with the shimmers and the sparkles, because I personally like to see the sparkles and the shimmers, but some people like this bottle better. But I wish I could see them. You could damn sure see them on your skin though, okay? So you do have to be careful when you wear this fragrance. I can only really spray it like on my skin. I can't really spray it on my clothes the way I normally would spray fragrances on my clothes. So what I have to do, because I've tried it before and I was like, all this glitter just no. So for me, I have to spray this one on my skin. So I'll use one of these other ones to spray actually on my clothes, and then this one I'll put on my arms, legs, shoulders, décolletage, like whatever is out for that day, and still get, you know, this smell and the coconut vanilla tropical feel, and then just have the glitter on the skin. So I recommend this if you want to do that. But the smell is definitely beautiful, soft. It's definitely more feminine and girly compared to some of these other ones. Like, some of these could also be like kind of unisex, even though they're tropical vanillas, like the next one. But yeah, but this one is definitely soft, girly, feminine. I feel like it's also more like in your scent bubble. I feel like this one doesn't project as loud as some of the other ones that I've talked about, like Fleur de Ombre or Bora Bora or Sunkissed Hibiscus. Like this just doesn't project out as loud as those. So I'll use one of those like actually on my skin, my clothes, and then this one just on my skin. So if that makes sense. But yeah, it's a beautiful fragrance though. It's very much so tropical, girly, vacation, especially like vacation, date, you know, even a night out, you know, and you feeling that, you know, want that sparkle on your skin. So I do really enjoy this fragrance. I just have to watch how I wear it. Next is Lost in Paradise by Chris Collins. So out of all my coconut vanillas, I feel like this one is one of the most unisex. I feel like a man could definitely wear this. Actually, my man has actually worn this before, and it didn't smell feminine on him at all. It just smelled like a nice, clean coconut vanilla, kind of spicy type of fragrance. So you get the saltiness. I feel like it has like some kind of pepper in it too, okay? If you like Blue Turquoise by Armani, these are very similar. They're very, very similar. They have a spicy, peppery kind of opening, and I feel like the spicy, peppery thing kind of still stays with this and makes this more on the unisex side. You get the saltiness, you get the coconut. I think it's like coconut water though, if I remember from looking at the notes. I don't know if it's actual coconut, but it's like coconut water, so you kind of get that, and it's a little aquatic, a little, you know, oceanic sea notes type of feel. But yeah, girl, this, you could dress it up, dress it down. This can go for men, women, all of that. So yeah, if you like that fragrance, I feel like you would really enjoy this. I think that last time I wore this, because this wasn't this on my tray, I think this was on my last perfume tray. The performance on this is very, very good. I did not have a problem with that at all. I had this on for hours and hours, pretty much all day, and it was on me. I didn't even have to top up with this. So this is a good performing fragrance. Now I have had it for maybe like 2 years, so yeah, but I really enjoyed it. And like I said, it's kind of one of those tropical coconut vanillas that's got a little oomph, gives you a little, you know, stands up power, because it is more on the unisex side. Okay, let's talk about Old Faithful, because we ain't finna do a coconut vanilla fragrance video without Soleil Blanc. I mean, you just can't, you just can't, because she is one of the original Dondadas, like for real. Now, I personally don't have a problem with performance on this. I will say it's not going to last me 8 to 10 hours, but it's going to give me a good 6, you know what I'm saying? And of course, I'll have my coconut or vanilla or tropical, you know, body care on it with it. I have the shimmering oil to go with it. So I do feel like layering with this is important, but girl, she is giving a tropical vacation, upscale, you know, eating out on the water, you know, boat, yacht type of feels. Okay, you eating out and you can see the boat, the ocean, you on the, you know, what's that thing in the front of the boat, you know, where the girl was standing on Titanic. Yeah, girl, you sitting right there eating, honey, and the ocean water is all out there, like, That's what she's giving, honey. You got your nice flowy dress on, maybe even a big hat with your sunglasses, because we're on a yacht, honey, not a speedboat. We're going slow. It's okay. You know what I'm saying? But that's what she's giving. She's giving all white party. She's giving Tom Ford realness. I mean, you can't front on some of the Tom Ford fragrances. Some of them we can laugh at, but this one, I feel like she's standing the test of time. Like, she really just does. And this one's starting to smell like kind of clean too, like compared to some of my other ones. Some of these other ones got like a punch to it. This one is clean, elegant type of coconut vanilla. So yeah, love me some Soleil Blanc. And last but certainly not least is our girl Beach Walk. Now this one is our most casual coconut vanilla. Okay, she's casual, going to breakfast, she's going to run errands, she's going to do those type of things. You don't really have to throw her on to do anything special, especially if you have all of the other girls over here. Okay, so this one is more casual, more easygoing, more fun. We're going to the mall, you know, we're going to TJ Maxx and Home Goods and Target and Starbucks and everywhere y'all like to go. Okay, that's when you throw this on. Summertime vibe, you're getting the same vibe, but this one is definitely more chill. She's not as refined as some of the other girls, but still no shade to her. I still really enjoy wearing this. So I'm not gonna front on her like she's not that girl, because in the replica line, she is still that girl for me. I still really enjoy wearing this. And when I want that coconut vanilla beachy salty skin, like, because I like this, because this does have that beachy, the most realistic beachy salty skin feel to it. So when I want that, girl, I throw this on and I feel like the sun is glistening all over my body. You know what I'm saying? I get that feeling with this. So I feel like I've been to the beach, if that makes sense. I've been to the beach. I'm at the beach. Like, this really takes you there. Like, that's why I love these fragrances. They really take you to a place. I really do. But yeah, if you're looking for that vibe, but something a little more casual, something you can wear like just with a little white, you know, shirt like this and some little jean shorts or something like that, some little slides, keep it moving, then go with Beach Walk. Okay, so y'all make sure y'all let me know some of your favorite coconut vanilla fragrances down in the comments. Make sure you like this video, share, comment, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.